do 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 do. Well, howdy everybody. Welcome to Mater Toon Time. I'm here to show you some of my favorite tunes. And here to help me host is my friend Lightning McQueen. Guido, what are you doing here? Now get out of here. Get going. Oh, hey Mater. Sorry I'm late, buddy. Oh, that's okay, McQueen. I just had that pesky Guido hanging around here again. It don't matter anyway. Say hi, Lightning. Hey, everybody. Well, we're here today. Hey, where'd that road code come from? I don't know, Mater. Them pesky road cones seem to get everywhere. Say, Lightning, do you ever remember the time when you smashed through all those cones and ended up with a cone on your nose? What? I don't remember that at all. What are you talking about, Mater? Well, I thought you'd say that, buddy, so I've got something to remind you. Really? And what's that then, Mater? It's called one of my Mater Toons. Here it comes. Mater Toons, Mater Toons, Mater Toons, 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 Mater Toons, Toons, Mater Toons, Toons. Hey, Lightning. What's up, buddy? Have you seen all those cones over there? Hey, I didn't see all those there, buddy. What do you think we should do? Well, I think I know what you should do. Huh? I think you should smash into those cones. Yeah, that's right. That's what I should do. Oh, I better get out of the way. Whoa. Oh, no, Mater. Look what happened. Well, look what happened to you, Lightning. Do you want me to help you get them cones off you? And I'll just get on there and just... Well, there you go there, Lightning. I got rid of all the cones for you. Thanks, Mater. Well, let's just drive off there. And there definitely isn't any cones left on you. You're a real pal. Mater Toons, Mater Toons, Mater Toons, 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 Mater Toons, Toons, Mater Toons, Toons. That was funny, wouldn't you agree, Lightning? Guido, where did you come from? Where did Lightning go? Oh, why didn't you say so then? What? Well, what's happened here then? Oh, I don't know, Mater. I must have fallen asleep and fallen into the cones. Well, yeah, I agree with you there, Guido. Let's help him out. Well, there we go. That looks like a good job, Guido. I think we cleared up all the cones. You happy, McQueen? Yeah, that's great, guys. Thanks very much for removing all the cones again. You two are real pals. Do 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 do